What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be washing my washing machine because I don't think it's ever been washed before. This is a top-loading washing machine, a combo unit. And I bought these from Amazon after seeing the good reviews on it. It says it's compatible with all washing machines, including high efficiency, even top loading. And I have a year's supply. This ended up being like 16 bucks. But yeah, before and after, it looks like it does a good job. So let's see how this works. Ensure washing machine is empty, which it is. Add one tablet directly to the washer drum. Do not place the tablet in the detergent dispenser. Run the washer on normal cycle using hot water, or use the clean washer cycle if available. Use a towel to wipe any leftover residue from the washer drum and other areas. So before I put this in, I want to show you how dirty my washing machine is. So here's the agitator. You can see that there's a little bit of dirt in there, and the back there underneath the rim is a little bit dirty as well. Let's turn this agitator around. There's no area to put the soap in, as you can see. This is just how it is. You just put the soap in the drum itself. I mean, for the most part, it looks like the drum is cleaner than the rest of the washing machine, just up here and over here, but I feel like it can be cleaned a little bit more. Let's see how good these washing tablets do. Here's what one looks like. We'll just throw it in there. One tablet. It's hard to believe that one little tablet like this is going to wash the entire washing machine. And I wonder how well this is going to do. It says for washers with heavy residue built, it may be helpful to pre-wet and lightly scrub visible residue before cleaning with active. I mean, I'm not sure if this is heavy or not. But you know what? I'm gonna do, I was gonna spray it with vinegar, but I just see that it has sodium bicarbonate on it, which is baking soda. That's gonna foam up the washing machine and make it bubble up, so that's probably not a good idea. Although it is just a little bit of baking soda, vinegar I want to put on there. You know what? Let me just spray it a little bit over here. All right, I'm gonna spray this with vinegar. There's some more. And I could get the other side of that too. Maybe over here. All right, let's run this and see how it is. Want it on hot, the larger setting, and on super wash. And we'll see how this does. So I see the water starting to sud up a little bit. This part is pretty dirty. I hope this top part gets cleaned out. I would think the vinegar combined with the baking soda would do some cleaning. It'll definitely help to get rid of the stubborn stain around the agitator, but I don't know if it's gonna get all around the top of the drum. This is actually looking like it's gonna work well. There's a lot of soap in it already. And the water levels aren't even reaching back there behind the rim. Alright, let me close this and I'll show you the result after this washing cycle finishes. Because water's gonna splash all over the place. Time to see how this did. Oh wow, this agitator is pretty clean. Well, it cleaned a lot of it. It looks like just this part. There's still quite a bit of stains on the inner part of the drum. Let me try rubbing this a little bit. Now it looks like might have to do some more cleaning, but it does smell fresh, and I do think, oh wow, yeah, that came off. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna put some muscle in it to clean this off, but let me do that. I think I'll spray with some more vinegar and try to get this stain off the agitator. But yeah, it looks like it's working well. Gonna need some more work for this, but thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.